John here with Build and Fix with Mooney YouTube channel. Welcome to my mess. Down in here I have a brand new benchtop planer my wife bought me for my birthday because my old one, the old Delta planer, is just giving out, not working as good as it used to. So I wanted an affordable planer that will last me many more years, just like this Delta did. So let's dig in this mess. Grizzly G0939 2 horsepower 13-inch benchtop planer. Let's go over all the features. On and off switch with the safety lock, the circuit reset button, the headstock lock, the table extension, the wing on each side with adjustable screws, the table, the 2 horsepower motor, a dust port with the 4-inch adapter, the cutter head elevation crank, cutter head elevation scale. This is the final cut. Depth of cut gauge right here will give you a good idea of what you're going to take off before you actually do. And return rollers for your workpiece. I'll show you what this planer sounds like right now and the problem I'm having with it. It should be more like curls. Let's see if we can get that with the new planer. Check out the depth gauge. It goes from 0 to 1/8 of an inch. So this is about 1/16 of an inch, a little bit less. Very minimal snipe. Not even, you can't even see it. Look at the other end. No snipe. That thing was dialed in right out of the box. Let's run it through a few more times to see if we could create some snipe. Hopefully not, because that's pretty dialed in. You may wonder why I went with straight knives, because straight knives work, they're proven, and they're cheap, and they're easy to replace. I think this Grizzly planer is going to work out great right next to the benchtop joiner and to join along with the bandsaw back there. I guess I'm joining the Grizzly family. If one of my viewers wants that Delta planer and happens to be in my area in Palm Springs, California, I want to swing by and pick it up because you're mechanically inclined, not like me, you're more than welcome. Send me an email. Thanks for watching.